Hiya, I'm on Dawlish Warren beach this afternoon. Absolutely beautiful day, blue skies and sunny. And what I love about this particular part of the beach is it's absolutely strewn with shells. Now you might be forgiven for wondering what I'm on about, because you can see, I don't know, maybe 100 or so, but you're actually looking at thousands and thousands of shells. Let me show you what I mean. Here, what looks like sand is actually just hundreds and hundreds and thousands of tiny little shells, and they just go on and on and on. Yeah, all of that, all along there, all those white, lighter patches in the sand is these absolutely tiny little shells. They're very, very cute. Just one of the things that is really easy to miss if you're not paying attention. But if you slow down, get curious, and use all your senses, then that's what you get to find. Have fun out there.